starting from teaching example 2.6, it deal with solving equation. Now 2.6, you will find that here is multiplication. Now not addition or subtraction. And the unknowns are at the position of exponential. That means index. Therefore, we have to take log on both sides. But this time, log, we take natural logarithm, not common logarithm. Take log on both sides. One of the common mistake is forget the bracket. Yin e equal to 1, and then yin 1 equal to 0. And then do the grouping, take out the common x. Your turn to do QP 2.6 now. I'm not quite sure. Will you wonder, do you have to change this one to, say, 2 into square, and then say 4 into. Now, in public examination, it isn't a big problem that you write that one or you make it a bit simple. Both are set in public examination. Okay, so don't worry. Now, let's go to teaching example 2.7. Now, this example is an important example, so please study it by heart. Let's observe it. Now, here is not multiplication. These are connected by addition or subtraction. And then you will find that here, look at the exponential. Now this is 2x, and then this is x. What does it mean? That means that one is double. Okay, remember law of index, say a to the power m, and we can rewrite it as a to the power m and then bracket to the n, or a to the power n outside power m. Remembered it? Okay. So now here we write e to the power 2x. We write it as e to the power x and then outside 2. Now this is a very important technique. Remembered it. So now we rewrite the equation into e to the power x and then outside square minus 4. Okay, maybe I will use a bracket to help you. Yeah, right in this way. Okay, then you will find that it's like, okay, compared to the blue rectangle. So a here, that means e to the power x. Okay, look here. E to the power x equal to 5. And then e to the power x equal to negative 1. Now, boys and girls, remember e, what is it? Is a positive value. So a positive value, if you can you say change it to something negative? It's impossible, right? So we reject it. We reject it, and then this one, that means x yin equal to yin 5. So x equal to yin 5. So the answer is yin 5. Sorry, it's correct to 4 significant figure. Therefore, Okay, 1.609. Okay, QP 2.7. Okay, very similar. Okay, factor method. Check carefully. Okay, to answer. Do you have to reject one? No need to, no need to. Okay. I would like to make a statement here. Okay, for that one, don't reject it. Now look at these two. They're not the same. Okay. This one is only the index is negative, but that one is the value is negative. So only reject the one on the right hand side. In this part, yeah, you can find the answer. Okay, for example 2.8, actually we apply a technique that is, say, yin x equal to yin 7, then we can just compare the content, so we can say that x equal to 7. Okay, so here we try to change 1 to something in, okay, in something. So remember, 1 equal to yin yi. Okay, compare the content inside. Okay, then we got the new equation. Do grouping like that we have done in before. Okay, then we do the grouping. That means x and then 2e plus 7, x equal to 2e plus 7, and then 6e minus 2. Your turn. Okay, minus on the left hand side, so simple. So remember, combine them. Okay, the rule here. Okay, combine them, and then 1 equal to yin yi. Okay, not quite difficult. Now we go to the exercise 2b. Okay, let's start. 1b. Yin 6. That means 6. Then 2b. 2b is yin 18 minus yin 15. That is 2 times 3 squared. And then minus yin 2 times 5 squared. Okay? One common mistake I would like to remind you, that is negative. Okay? Negative. So combine it. So that means yin 3 minus yin 5. Change it to a minus b. Yeah. 3b. 3b. Copy first. Yin. Okay, and then change it. Cancel it, this part. So the final answer should be equal to 1 over 15. Now number 5. Number 5. Now only one unknown. Okay, so you scratch the symbol for e, and then 3. So it's e to the power. Oh, this part is 0.75, and then negative 2x. Yin that means 1. Okay, so I don't write it again. Take your calculator, find it. Okay, correct 2 4 dp. Okay, number 10. Number 10. 10 yin x to the power equal to 6. Okay, we go back. That means go back to the exponential format. exponential format, that means because space e, and then this part e to the power 6, we change it to in this way. Yeah, so that means, yeah, so x is equal to e squared. Finish. Now question 14. 14 is mean 3e squared. You can choose combine them or write it as an expanded form. I choose to write it as expanded form. Okay, here common mistake is, okay, many of you write it as negative, but it should be positive, right? Because negative become positive. Then cancel this part. So it become 2 plus 1/2. So answer is 5/2. Finish. Yeah, here. 2, 1, 2, 3. Every term we multiply by e to the power x. So cancel this part. Okay, 6. This part e to the power x, now you'll find that it multiplies itself. So you write square here. And then plus 1 equal to 5e to the power x. So we write it as 6e to the power x squared minus 5e to the power x plus 1. Vector method, okay? Vector method here. We can write as so e to the power x equal to 1/2, or e to the power x equal to 1/3, and then the answer is x equal to negative in 2 or x equal to negative in 3. The last question, number 26. Okay, this question is multiplication only. Okay, so take LCM on both sides. Okay, the last step is take a common factor x, so 1 minus 2 in 2, and then in 30 minus in 3 minus 2. Yeah, that's the end. And then your assignment is odd number. Okay, assignment exercise 2b, odd number.